I'm about to share with you how you can start your own home business during a quarantine. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can start your own home business during the quarantine. Now, if you're watching this video anytime in the year 2020, or probably the beginning of 2021, maybe the middle of 2021, who knows? But right now, with this pandemic thing going on, there's a lot of people, being at home, whether it be they're working from home, doing their jobs from home, or they're, laid off, or maybe they lost their job, getting unemployment or whatever, or maybe losing unemployment, whatever, right? So a lot of people are turning towards, starting their own business. Like, how can I make money outside of the traditional 9 to 5, or how can I even make extra money to supplement my current, income? So the thing is, guys, even though everything's crazy right now, there's so many opportunities to bring in some extra money or even some full-time money, just depending on what you want to do and how hard you're willing to go, right? So one way that you can start, well, let me back up. A lot of times people are like, I would start a home business, right? I would love to start an online business, home business. They basically go hand in hand. But I don't have any money to invest. And that's a lot of people excuse, which that's a legitimate one. If you you have no extra money to put towards that, I get it, I got it, right? But the two excuses is usually I don't have any startup money and I just don't have the time. Like, forget the time situation, because what's going on now, a lot of people have more time on their hands. So the money aspect of it, right? If you don't have any money to put towards starting your own business, you should be aware that you can do it for free, guys. You can do it for absolutely free. You just need to take that time that you have and put it towards what I'm about to tell you. Now, ultimately, there's many ways that you can start an online business and basically start bringing money in without putting out any money. But one thing that I'm going to suggest is, which I always talk about, guys, start a YouTube channel. You're like, oh, really, man? I know about it. Nah, you might know about it, but are you doing it? Have you done it yet? Right? That's the question. Have you done it yet? So if you haven't, guys, anytime you're selling something, right, online, it could be a product that you created, a service that you create, or it could be somebody else's product or service or whatever. That's a business. If you're selling something, right, you're promoting a product or you're selling a product and you're getting money in return, you have a business. So a lot of people get confused with like a home business, like, well, I need a logo, I need workers, I need W-2s, 40s, 5s, 6s. Like, no. Anytime you selling something, right, you have a business. You know what I'm saying? If you sell paper clips, that's all you sell, paper clips. You have a paper clip home business. All right. So now, when I say YouTube, why YouTube? Because YouTube, if you do the proper research, right? Proper research, you can get eyeballs on whatever you're selling, whatever your business is, right? And you can do it pretty much instantly, right? Of course, you have to put in that work of knowing how to research stuff, knowing how to, research YouTube competition, blah, blah, blah. You need to understand how to produce the videos. And I'm not meaning like film the video. Anybody should be able to film a video, but how to title your videos, how to write descriptions in your videos, how to put the links, where to put the links in your videos, right? How to come up with your tags, how many tags and all that stuff. Once you learn that, you'll be good to go. You understand? Like, that's all you need, and everything I just said is absolutely free, guys. So what I highly suggest you do during this time, quarantining, if you kind of got time on your hands or got extra time, take it, figure out what you feel comfortable with selling, whatever it is. What are you into, right? Whatever you're into dog training, find a dog training course or products related to dog training, right? Become an affiliate of it, which means anytime you sell a product, you get a nice commission for selling it. You can find products out there that you can get, 25, 30% commissions, sometimes 50% commissions on products. So imagine if you're selling something for 50 bucks and you're getting 20 bucks every time, you make a sale, right? So that's a way you can start a business, because 95% of affiliate programs are free to join, right? They're free to join. YouTube is free to start, right? Free. So, like I said, if you have zero money to invest, there's no excuse, because yes, you have to dig in and do a little research if you're not familiar with YouTube on how to write the proper, make the proper thumbnails. You can make thumbnails free on pickmonkey.com or canva.com. Create simple, you can watch tutorials on it, how to create a thumbnail, simple thumbnails, super easy to do, right? That's all you need to start a home business, and you can start it right now. It's that simple. There's no, tricks to it. It's that simple. Find a product, start creating content on YouTube about it. Now you might be saying, whoa. I don't want to be on camera, bro. Like, I'm not a camera person. You don't mind being on the camera. What do I do? Okay. First of all, you got several options. You don't want to be on camera. Maybe you got a friend, a sibling, your kids or whatever. Maybe they want to be on camera, right? They can talk just like I'm doing. Or, which you can do it, but you could still use kind of like a slideshow effect, right? Use slides, use slides, and you can use pictures and kind of, have slides with words on them and kind of put some music behind it. You could do that, right? You could do that as well. But to me, videos with more action or someone talking, to me, convert better. But if you're just getting started, you can, use slideshows. Just find a whole bunch of pictures and let them rotate around as you talk or as some music playing, and people can read the slides. Just to get started, you can do that, guys, and still sell whatever you're trying to promote, your home business, whatever it is, right? A third type of video you can do is actually getting stock footage. Now, what you can do with these is just go online and type in free stock footage. You'll find some sites, and you got to kind of really dig through, but you can find clips that you're legally allowed to put in your videos, and you can just put a whole bunch of them together and make a clip, and then at the end of it, promote whatever it is. Once again, your home business, whatever you're selling. Obviously, you want to find stock videos, and you can use stock photos as well, but obviously you want to use stock videos that relate to whatever your video is, right? That's just common sense. So then some people say, well, what do I do about software? Guys, they have free video editing software. If you have a Windows computer, you can use Windows Movie Maker, right? You can use that for free. If you got a Mac computer, I know they got a free version on there that comes with their Mac, whatever. So you don't even have to spend money on a video editor, right? Now, if you do have some extra money right now, like I think you can get what I use, Movavi, which I love that video editing software. You can get Movavi, I think, for like 40 or 50 bucks. Movavi, Movavi, right? Movavi. That's if you have a little bit of money. If you do have a little bit of money, that would be a good investment, you know what I'm saying? But once again, this is about starting absolutely free, guys. And you can do it, and you can start it right now, so there's no excuses. If you're watching this video and you're like, oh, I thought I was going to get something good. That is good. That actually is a way to start your own home business using YouTube. Find whatever you want to promote and get to it. It's that simple. Now, when you get going, once again, everything I just said is absolutely free. But if you subscribe to my channel, you know I do always talk about and recommend a course. Now, this is if you have some extra money, or you really want to like take YouTube to like a full blown, like that's what you do. I highly recommend Jordan Mackey's course, YouTube monetization and automation. Now this course is, I think it's like $500 right now, but it would be well worth it because it teaches you everything you need to know about starting your own YouTube business and making, a full-time income. This is for those who want to make a full-time income on YouTube. So I'll put a link to that. You can definitely check out the course. If you're not ready for that yet, you just want to start free, do what I just said. Forget that course. Don't even look at it. Don't even go to it. Don't do it. All right. Wait till you start making a little bit of money with YouTube and then come back and then check out this course and to take your game to a whole nother level. It's completely up to you guys. So wrapping this video up, yes, you can start your own home business during the quarantine, during this pandemic time, and set yourself up for the future financially. All right. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.